Hey everybody, how's it going? Welcome back to Pause and Effect on Air. I'm your host CJ, and today I'm continuing my game dev journey in Godot Engine. So let me see. I already had the music going. This is for Endless Fight 2 from Mega Man Zero 2. Man, I went a little nuts over the past week, and the playlist has like nearly 900 songs in it. I think it's around like 868 at this point. And let me just say, because I've been scrolling through chat ever since I turned on my PC, I'm like, whoa, you guys have been going crazy. Like Kyber 7, Caramel Feather. Oh no, the good music stopped. Now we have to listen to non-CJ music. I can't, well, theoretically I could, put up my SoundCloud music, but some of it just wouldn't translate, I don't think. Either way, so, from the progress from the last stream, I set it up so that this prototype plays and I can jump, but if I attempt to jump on an enemy, following the tutorial, they're supposed to have squashed, and they don't. So I feel like I missed a step. Hey, Brain Dead Buffoon, welcome to the stream. Hopefully your chats show up. I'm on live chat so I can see it, but yeah, I don't. Once again, I appreciate your time, but I don't think maybe not. I don't think, but I don't know if your chats will show up because the YouTube algorithm doesn't like the word dead, which is unfortunate. But so it goes. Okay, so where did I learn to code? I've been trying to go through this tutorial, trying to understand it. Okay, squashing monsters. This may have been where I got lost. Okay. Group tagging feature. Unfortunately, Brain Dead's chats don't show up in top chat. Yeah. SC Jolly, welcome to the stream. Super chill reporting for duty. Alright, let's see. I still can't believe that, I looked away from YouTube for 10 minutes, and 10 minutes pass, and I somehow jump up from 432 subs to 434. That's really amazing. If you're out there and you're listening into this, thank you for doing so. Hopefully I entertain. Caramel, I don't mean to be that guy, but Majesty is spelled with a J. Unless you're going by the rules of how people pronounce GIF versus GIF, in which case, live your best life. Okay, so... Okay, I'm in the mob node. Go to group. Hold on. Grammar police, I tell ya. I have to do it. Oh. That... Fuck, bro. That's how you do that. Alright. Alright. so mob. Group name is valid. Head back to the player script to code the squash and the bounce. God, I added so much to this playlist. Let me scroll through it. Okay, the Yakuza music was already here. The Castlevania music was already here. Okay, I added Yakuza 3 music, Ape Escape, Mega Man X8, X7, X6, X5, X4. Oh wait, these were from 2 weeks ago. East 8, East 9. Okay, I need to look from within like the past couple days. Okay, 3 days ago. Hollow Knight, Helltaker, Awaria, Mega Man 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4, Mega Man ZX and ZX Advent, Monster Hunter Rise, Monster Hunter Rise Sunbreak, Nier Automata, Nier Gestalt and Replicant, the remixes and 2 of the piano songs for that, Final Fantasy Crystal Chronicles, the Crystal Bearers, Mega Man 11, 2 things from Devil May Cry 2, some things from Devil May Cry 1, 2 things from Devil May Cry 4, a couple things from Devil May Cry 3, and 1 song from Street Fighter 5. That's already a lot. Okay, moving on. Coding the squash mechanic. Head back to the player script, code the squash and bounce. Okay, so bounce impulse. Then after the jumping code block, physics process. Function, physics process, delta. Tony, we may need your help again. I have no idea if Tony Wojnar is here, but I remember what he said last time, Caramel Feather, which was he's more accustomed to 2D and has not so much as ever touched 3D. So I'm on my own, and that's totally fine. Nice song. Okay, so the one you heard was Roller Coaster from Ape Escape, and now this one is Belmont the Legend from Castlevania Curse of Darkness. So did I add this? Okay, 4 index in range gets slide collision count. The one before it? Doesn't matter. Did I make the playlist? Yes, I did. Okay, so signal squashed is here. Function squash, squashed dot emit cue free. Oh, squashed needs to be at the top. Okay. Okay, so then let me try this out. Oh, it's working! Except I don't have to, like, specifically jump on them. I can just run into them and they die. Interesting. There. Okay, so it works. So now moving on to the next tutorial. Okay, killing the player. We can kill enemies by jumping on them or running into them, but the player still can't die. Let's fix this. We want to detect being hit by an enemy differently from squashing them. We want the player to die when they're moving on the floor, but not if they're in the air. We could use vector math to disguise the two kinds of collisions. Instead, though, we will use an Area 3D node. Inheritance Bloodlines of Heaven and Earth? Bloodlines Bequeathed, sorry. From Castlevania Portrait of Ruin. AKA the Richter Belmont fight song that everybody stresses against. One of the detects being hit by an enemy differently from squashing them. I'm on my own and that's totally fine, he said, knowing he's going to mess up at some point and end up crying. You see, it's impossible to not get stumped on this thing. Maybe for you, but I'm just built different. Alright. Head back to player.tcsn. Let me save all scenes. Alright. Add a new child node, Area 3D. Create. Mob detector. Then add a collision shape 3D as a child of it. In the inspector, assign a cylinder shape. There. That's the first time I've heard you say something remotely Gen Z. Here's like bits and pieces of Gen Z slang that I know. I just, either I use them among my friends or I'm just, or like sometimes I let it slip, but like some Gen Z slang I like. I don't entirely know, like, if I use it correctly, but I'm an adult. I make my own rules. Oh, IMAX's theme from Mega Man X6. Alright. You can reduce the cylinder's height and move it to the top of the character. Oh, is it snapping again? Oh gosh, I should have been here earlier. Everything going smoothly. Tony Wojnar, welcome to the stream. And no, things are going fine. I showed off a piece of something. I was like, okay, this is not working. But now it works. Just slightly incorrectly. Like running the 3D tutorial, I should be able to jump on the guys and they work, but they also die if I run into them. Oh, it's the bar fight from Devil May Cry 3. I need to add more from that game. To this playlist, like Navon's theme, The Damned Chessman, Jaren, Doppelganger, Ladies Battle, Jester's Battle, if that's on here. The first and second Virgil battles. But yeah, I don't necessarily need to jump on them in order for this to work. I can just run into them, but I'm guessing this is what this entire part of the tutorial about allowing the player character to die is for. Okay. Nope. Okay, here's a trick you can use to make the collisions only happen when the player's on the ground or close to it. Alright, if you need any help at any point, you know where to find me. I'll be working in the meantime. Alright, cool. Hopefully my music doesn't distract you too much. You can reduce the cylinder's height and move it up to the top of the character. This way, when the player jumps, the shape will be too high up for the enemies to collide with it. You also want the cylinder to be wider than the sphere. Yes, I do. This way, the player gets hit before colliding and being pushed on top of the monster's collision box. Oh, Assassination of the Bodhisattva from Like a Dragon Ishin. The wider the cylinder, the more easily the player will get killed. Okay. I wonder... Yeah, because I think the player character was clipping through the floor before, and he still is. Alright, hold on. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. You also want the cylinder to be wider than the sphere. This way the player gets hit before colliding and being pushed on top of the monster's collision box. Okay, Next, select the mob detector node again. Turn off its monitorable property. This makes it so other physics nodes cannot detect the area. The complementary monitoring property allows it to detect collisions, then remove the collision layer mask. Where do I find that? And set it to the enemy's layer. Everyone ready for some Gen Z, Gen Alpha linguistics class? I just need one yes. No. That's my answer. Not today. God damn it, Kyber. I'm kidding, obviously, but... Okay, it's in phase 2. Should be fine. Okay, so I set the remove the collision layers and then set the mask to the enemy's layer. When areas detect a collision, they emit signals. We're going to... Okay, So did I see the Discord? I did. And I just had a moment where I'm like, you actually did it. Okay. I didn't say it out loud, but I'm like, damn. All right. Because tip for like anybody that wants to stream using OBS while having their Discord open. Like when you open up when you open up OBS while you have Discord open, OBS will force Discord to go into streamer mode, which is you don't see any notifications and you don't see like, and everything gets truncated so that like you can't really see what people like say or do. But it's helpful because it quiets it so that you're not getting bombarded with Discord notifs while you're streaming, so it's helpful. Okay, when areas detect a collision, they emit signals. We're going to connect one to the player node. Select mob detector and go to the inspector's node tab. Okay, signals. Double click under area, body entered, body node. Right, connect it to player. The mob detector will emit body entered when a character body 3D or a rigid body 3D node enters it. As it only masks the enemy's physics layers, it will only detect the mob nodes. Code-wise, we're going to do two things. Emit a signal we'll later use to end the game and destroy the player. We can wrap these operations in a die function that helps us put a descriptive label on the code. So, back up at the top, add signal hit, and this at the bottom. function die. Hit.emit. Oh, what the hell? And queue free. So then function on mob detector body entered. Die. Brain rot is taking over 100%. I am like half choosing not to acknowledge it, but also being half like curious about what I'm seeing. Okay. Oh dang, 8 concurrent viewers. What's up, everybody? Alright, so there, I've added these. We can use the player's hit signal to end the game. All we need to do is connect it to the main node and stop the mob timer in reaction. Oh, this is I was kind of focused on this, but this is a Cold Smile from Mega Man 03. Player's hit signal to end the game. Okay, select the player node. And in the node dock, connect its hit. Connect hit to main. I look over at chat. I'm like, L plus ratio I'm aware of, because I've been around Twitter long enough to understand what it means. The less I acknowledge the brain rot and whatever the actual fuck is happening in chat, the better my sanity will be. I already know this. Okay. God damn it, SC Jolly. Okay. It's already slightly public knowledge to like the stream chat regulars that you and I know each other IRL. So I'm just like, oh man. Okay, whatever the hell this is, I'm skipping through it. Ah, a short Persona 5 thing. Alright. So, okay. Get the timer and stop it. Mob timer dot stop. Cool. If you try the game now, the monsters will stop spawning when you die. Let's try it. Huh, it's actually working. Okay, because we are stopping the mob timer and no longer... Okay, notice also that the game no longer crashes or displays an error when the player dies. Because we are stopping the mob timer, it no longer triggers the on-mob timer timeout function. Also note that the enemy colliding with the player and dying depends on the size and position of the player and the mob's collision shapes. You may need to move them and resize them to achieve a tight game feel. You can pat yourself on the back. You prototyped a complete 3D game even if it's still a bit rough. Alright, well, let me check something. There I go. Okay, so this I think is, yeah, it's Waltz for Grace from East 9 Monster Knocks. Like, I keep making guesses as to these songs, like I don't actually have the, like a Spotify widget in the top left corner of the stream. But then again, like, it's so small in my OBS that I can't actually see it. Alright, cool. So, the game works. Okay, so this works. So now I need to add all of the extra bits and pieces. In this part, we'll add the score, music, playback, and the ability to restart the game. Oops, my bad. Okay, this is kind of a slippery slope that I'm chasing because I added this song by Mitzi's to the stream. I think I added like 4 out of the 6 songs that Mitzi's did for Awaria. And I'm like, okay, I am treading a very thin line here, especially considering like the Awaria video got copyright claimed by Mitzi's record label the moment I fucking uploaded the video, which was like Monday night. The video wasn't even public yet. First time using Godot. Claudio, welcome to the stream. Yes and no. This is my like 3rd stream of it going through tutorials, but this is like, but I'm doing tutorials trying to like understand it a hell of a lot better. Because I do want to try to like make some things with it, however like well thought out or dumb they are. Like when I showed the stream, I said, blah. When I showed the stream, I said I didn't quite have an idea. That's not 100% true. I actually do, but I'll get to that. Okay. In this part, we'll have the score, music playback, and the ability to restart the game. We have to keep track of the current score in a variable and display it on screen using a minimal interface. We'll use a text label to do that. In the main scene, add a new child. Child node control. Okay, control. And we are going to name this user interface. And then add a label after that. Rename it score label. In the inspector, set the label's text to the placeholder score 0. Okay, so go down to theme overrides, colors, font, C, yeah, black. Also, Claudio, I just saw what Caramel Feather said. I don't think I've seen you around before, so I'm your host, CJ. Good to see ya. All right. Finally, click and drag on the text in the viewport. Oh, right. And Caramel Feather, I will see you when you come back. Yeah, you know what? This seems vaguely correct. Oh, I need a space here. Yeah. The user interface node allows us to group our UI in a branch of the scene tree and use a theme resource that will propagate to all its children. We'll use it to set our game's font. So select user interface in inspector. Ooh, time station from Ape Escape. Hell yeah. Create a new theme resource in theme. Oh, here we are. Click it to open the theme editor in the bottom panel. It gives you a preview of how all the built-in UI widgets will look with thy theme resource. By default, the theme only has a few properties: default base scale, default font, and default font size. Excuse me. Default font expects a font file like the ones you have on your computer, either TTF or OTF. Alright, cool. In File System, expand the fonts directory and click and drag. Oh, right. Okay, to where? Okay, expand fonts, click and drag Montserrat Medium. The text will reappear in the theme preview. Drag it under theme, but damn it. Oh! I just had to expand it. $22. Got it. Yeah, fine. Okay. Let's work on the score next. Attach a new script. Oh, this is, Quillshroom's Horrors? Yes. The past version of Quillshroom Marsh from the Messenger. Yeah. score should increase by 1. Oh wait, no. Add a new script to score label. And define the score variable. There's that button. Here we go. Extends label variable score equals 0. The score should increase by 1 every time we squash a monster. We can use their squashed signal to know when that happens. However, because we instantiate monsters from the code, we cannot connect the mob signal to score label via the editor. So I need to come into right. Okay. So open main GD. Alternatively, okay, blah 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 blah. At the bottom of on mob timer timeout. Mob squashed connect user interface score label dot on mob let's see. Mob squashed connect user interface slash score label dot underscore on mob squashed dot bind. This line means that when the mob emits the squashed signal, the score label node will receive it and call the function on mob squashed. Head back to scorelabel.gd to define the... I'm moving on from this song. I like it. It's from Sea of Stars, but not in the mood. Ooh, Rust, Dust, and Guts. I feel like that plays every stream at this point. Okay. Function on mob squashed. Score plus equals 1. Text equals score percent score. Sadly, you will not be able to make it to Saturday's stream, so I was going to make a pizza. You looked at the bottom and said, wow, that looks like cardboard. And it is cardboard. Oof. Damn. Sorry to hear that. Okay. Second line uses the value of the score variable. Oop. You got me. Alright, cool. So that does go up. That's great. We'll now add the ability to play again after dying. player dies, will display a message on the screen and wait for input. Here it comes. Okay, head back to main. Oh wait, the scene. Select user interface. Color rectangle. Okay, name it retry. This node fills a rectangle with a uniform color and will serve as an overlay to darken the screen. To make it span over the whole viewpoint, nothing happens. Well, almost nothing. The 4 green pins move to the corners of the selection box. This is because UI nodes, all the ones with a green icon, work with anchors and margins relative to their parent's bounding box. Here, the user interface node has a small size and the retry one is limited by it. Select user interface and apply anchor preset. Anchor preset full rect as well. The retry node should now span the whole viewpoint. Cool. And it does. Select. This was before we cooked it. Damn. Ouch. Sorry to hear that. And I just see killer Moai. Lord have mercy. Okay, so under retry, in inspector, set its color. Oh, right here. But it's set its set its alpha to like 96. Next, add a label. I'm gonna call this retry button. Give it the text, press enter to retry. We can now head to the code to show and hide the retry node. Open the script main.gd. Once more. Soon I will be Moai before I die. Nothing worse than cardboard pizza. I don't know, there's some decent frozen pizzas that exist out on the market. Like, crap, what's the one I'm remembering? It's, because I know one of my roommates was able to swing, or at least have delivered across state lines, a deep dish pizza from Giordano's a couple years ago. Like, I know that's possible. I don't know how, but I know that's possible. I could go for some deep dish, I'm gonna be honest. I just see the fourth line, like, soon I will be Moai before I die. That's what I will try. Kyber7, the next time you're able to go to an anime convention or something similar, you ought to go cosplayed as just a Moai statue. Like, build it out of, like, cardboard or paper mache and just walk around a con hiding inside it like you're Solid Snake or something. We can now head to the code to show and hide the retry node whenever. Okay, so in main.gd, Under function.ready, user interface .retry.hide, function on player hits. Oops. User inner .retry.show. Okay, for Endless Fight 3 from Mega Man 03. Finally, when the retry node is visible, we need to listen to the player's input and restart the game if they press enter. There is a medical condition where all damaged tissue becomes bone, so technically you could. That was the answer to the question, will you just turn to stone gradually or does it happen overnight? Yikes, I would not want to be a person that has that condition. That just sounds painful and terrifying. Okay, so what I want is, okay, when retry node, we need to listen to the player's input and restart the game if they press enter. To do this, we use the built-in unhandled input callback, which is triggered on any input. Function unhandled input event. Yes, I know. If event.is action pressed, do I accept? And if I ever make a horror game, I will make it that. Hey, write that down. User interface .retry .visible Oh, I forgot to mention my client who hired me on the Violets of Amicus. So, Daniel? You and Daniel commented over footage of a dev speedrun and he posted it today. Oh, nice. That sounds like fun. Git tree dot reload current scene. All right, let's see if that worked. It works. Oh. Is it on YouTube, Tony? The answer is yes. Like, you forgot we were acquainted? Dude, I streamed his game. You could post a link here if you want. I'm gonna say post it in the Discord. Post it in the official Pause and Effect Discord. To those of you not in the Discord, link in the description if you want it. Not watching it, I just see not watching it myself. I hate the sound of my recorded voice. I used to feel that way, and I just got used to it over time. Oops. Okay. What channel should I post it? Advertising. Oh, shoot. Yo! Wario Land 4 was finally added to Game Boy Advance Online. Oh, shit. That's awesome. Like, one of my friends just sent me the link. Ooh, S-rank battle from Crosscode. Okay. Okay, I've messed around enough. Okay, so I added that. Okay, add music. Oh wait, no, not save scene as, save all scenes. Okay. So then, to add music, ooh, actually, I'm going to pause. I need to use the bathroom real fast. So I will be back in like 2-3 minutes. Don't go nowhere. Okay, everybody, I'm back. So sorry about that. And I just saw as I was standing up that Kyber7 is leaving. Kyber7, thank you so much for being here. Have a great rest of your night, and hopefully I'll catch you either later, because you do tend to return sometimes, or I will catch you on the next stream. Okay, as much as I like this song, I'm probably going to get DMCA'd. Or no, not DMCA'd. I'm going to probably be copyright claimed to high heaven. But I want to play the metal version of this song. The S-rank battle from Crosscode metal cover by Ga Metal. Yeah! I like this so much better. All you need to do is add an audio stream player node to your scene and attach an audio file to it. When you start the scene, it can play automatically. However, when you reload the scene, like we do to play it again, the audio nodes are also reset, and the music starts back from the beginning. You can use the auto load feature to have Godot load a node or a scene automatically at the start of the game outside the current scene. You can also use it to create globally accessible objects. So, to do this, create a new scene. So other node, audio what? Audio stream player. And rename it music player. Okay. Autoplay on. I guess I do want to set it to looping. That makes sense. Where do I set its area mask? I don't have attenuation at all. Huh, weird. Alright, let's see. Oh, Omni Speak by Mitzi's. Okay. Project settings. Globals. Autoload. We're already here. In path, you want to enter the path to your scene. Create the folder icon, or click the folder icon. I'm skipping this one. Ooh, Slash Beast from Mega Man X4. That's it. That's all I have to do. In the path field, you want to enter the path to your scene. Click the folder icon to open the file browser and double click on musicplayer.tcsn, then click the add button on the right to register it. Oh, okay. Musicplayer.tscn now loads into any scene you open or play, so if you run the game now, the music will play automatically in any scene. Before we wrap up the lesson, here's a quick look at how it works under the hood. When you run the game, your scene dock changes to give you two tabs, remote and local. Okay, so I can close this now. Scene dock changes to give you two tabs, remote and local. The remote tab allows you to visualize everything. Or visualize the node tree of your running game. There you will see the main node and everything the scene contains and the instantiated mobs at the bottom. Huh. I don't have that option. Oh wait, I have to run it. Okay, so because it's running, I get to see all of this. Alright, cool. But I need to go into Music Player. And drag this lower by just a bit. That's too much. No, that's too loud. I know you guys can't hear it, but trust me, my ears are suffering. Oh, this is better. I don't think it looped. Whatever. At the top are the auto-loaded music player and a root node, which is your game's viewport. In the next part, we'll add an animation to make the game look and feel much nicer. Okay, this is the final lesson. We'll use Godot's built-in animation tool to make our characters float and flap. Hold on. Excuse me. You'll learn to design animations in this editor and use code to make your game feel alive. Okay. Open the player scene, select the player node. So add an animation player node as a child. The animation dock appears in the bottom. So I click this, add new. We're going to call this float. Like something something, we all float down here. Oh, Kingdom's Edge from Hollow Knight. Alright. We want the animation to start playback automatically at the start of the game. Also, it should loop. So to do so, click autoplay. And the looping arrows respectively. Okay, I'll pin that for the time being. This prevents it from folding when you click on the viewport and deselect the nodes. Ah, cool. Set the animation duration, so this, to 1.2 seconds. The gray ribbon widened a bit, that it did. Click and drag the slider in the bottom right to zoom. Yeah. Yeah, roughly that's about what I want. Ooh, ow. Hang on, I need some water. With the animation player node, you can animate most properties on as many nodes as you need. Hold on. Okay. With the animation player node, you can animate most properties on as many nodes as you need. Notice the key icon next to the properties in the inspector. Oh yeah, I do see it. You can click on any of them to create a keyframe. Tony Wojnar, I know SC Jolly personally, and I've spoken at length with them specifically. I've spoken at length with them specifically about the music I did for the game 9 years ago. It's been 9 years, Jesus. And like, yeah, that's pretty much how they know about it. All right. So, here we will animate both the position and the rotation of the character nodes. I'm skipping this song, actually. It's good, but... Yes! Basement! Here we will animate... It's your icon too. Lol, that's true. Yup. Select the character in the inspector. What? Okay. Expand the transform section. Click the key icons. Yeah. Click the key icon next to position and rotation. For this tutorial, just create reset tracks, which is the default choice. 2 tracks appear in the editor with a diamond icon representing each keyframe. You can click and drag on the diamonds to move them in time. Position key to 0.3 and rotation to 0.1. Move the time bar to 0.5. In the inspector, set y-axis to 0.65. Oh, wait. The rotation x-axis to 8. I get it, it's automatic keying. Oh, Supreme Ruler from Mega Man 02. Set the Y position to about 0.35. and X rotation to -9. Okay, so I can preview and play this back. Ah, so Godot has easing already built in. We can edit the properties of both keys simultaneously. Just did that. Okay. Apply and ease out. .44. I don't know why it's doing that, but okay. Do the opposite for the second position keyframe, dragging it to the right. Alright, let's see. Oh, that does look pretty good. Huh, nice. If you play the game, the creature will now float. Well, let me save everything. They are floating, but they're clipping through the floor. Weird. Alright. Okay, controlling the animation in code. Probably want to lower the hitbox or raise the model. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. I think I needed to do that in the scene. It's already doing that. Huh, weird. Okay, well, either way. So, back in script. Oh, I need to do this for the player. If direction does not equal vector3.0, it might be how you positioned it in the animator. Remember that overwrites things. Okay, good to know. If direction does not equal vector3.0, animation glare dot speed scale equals 4, else animation glare dot speed scale equals 1. This code makes it so that when the player moves, we multiply the playback speed by 4. When they stop, we reset it to normal. Well, let's see if that worked. Oh. I'm so used to, like, C++. Alright, let's see. Oh yeah, it's working! Oh, this is from Trails of Cold Steel. We mentioned that the pivot could layer transformations on top of the animation. We can make the character arc when jumping use the following line of code. Add it at the end of physics process. This is a long string of code. Pivot.rotation.x equals pi divided by 6 times velocity.y divided by jump impulse. I think I may just want to widen out the hitbox for the I wonder if that'll fix things. Oh, whoops, I did a stupid thing. Okay, good. That hitbox is exactly where I want it to be. Like, that is perfect. Okay. As long as you use a similar node structure. You know what? Do I... Best score yet? Yeah. Do I necessarily care about animating the mobs? Oh, wait, shit, they make it easy. Click animation, manage animations. What? I'm like missing something here. Open the player scene. I'm in the player scene. Click on, select the animation player node. Wait. No, that's not what I need. Oh, never mind. It said it's in the player at the bottom. God, I am so stupid. Okay, manage animations. Add library. I'm just gonna say new library. Like, it seems I already have a library. Oh, no, wait. Oh, copy animation to clipboard. Okay, now under mob, it needs its own animation player. Animation, manage animations. Leave it blank. Okay. Autoplay is on. Where's the... There it is. Oops. Alright. Okay, so we can change the playback speed based on the creature's random speed. Okay, so in the mob script, so under function initialize start position, player position, I want to add at the bottom of it, animation player dot speed scale equals random speed divided by min speed. Cool. Yeah, okay, it works. Okay, so it's done. Alright, well, for the most part, I think I kind of get it. Going further. Okay, so stupid idea time. I'm going to close this, expand this out. So, like, technically speaking, I need it in 3D. There we go. This game, quote-unquote, works. Yeah, sure. So now the thing that I need to do is like, what? Now that I have this knowledge, like, what do I want to make with it? And vaguely speaking, I have an idea. Oh wait, I need to readjust my mic arm again. Vaguely speaking, I have an idea. I have no idea if it's gonna work. I need to quit out of Godot first. You catch a glimpse of my wallpaper. There. If Steam would like to work, please. Boobies, make boobies, lol. I mean, that's one way of doing things. Jokes aside, I really don't know. So, I do actually have one idea. And that would be to try to remake some of the concepts that I made all the way back in my college days. That, like, stuff that, like, I didn't necessarily make by myself because all those projects were trash, let's be honest. But the idea I have is one of the games I thought about making, especially considering it was for a 3D engine, and I believe I brought it up maybe 1 or 2 streams ago, was 1 or 2 game dev streams ago. So I'm going to call this Project Love Machine. Yeah, I don't want this in my C drive. But I think if I put it in my E drive, I'm not losing anything, so that works. Yeah. Create and edit. So while that loads, whoops. Okay. So Godot Engine isometric shooter tutorial. Okay, I see the examples for isometric, and it's like, yeah, no, that's not what I'm looking for at all. Top-down shooter. What the hell you mean to make a 2D top-down shooter in 10 minutes? What?
Hey, heard you want to be a game developer.
Alright, well, fuck it then.
You'll make your first 2D top-down shooter in Godot in just 10 minutes.
Well, actually, one thing I want to do... So... Like, I just see SC Jolly say, ask Love Machine? So, Love Machine was a game I made for a class that was, like part of a thing is like, okay, so somebody, it was like a 2-part like final project. You had like 3 weeks to try to come up with something. And then, whatever you guys made, then you guys would like come together as a team to try and like take one of the games that you made and like finish it, make something of it. So I'm actually going to close Godot for now. And we're going to reopen Blender because so Love Machine was not a game that I made, but I did some like pretty decent contributions for it. So Love Machine at its core was a game where it's a game where like you're a tank that a scientist created to literally like make love not war. Your tank shells and your bullets create love. And I mean that as like, oh, they get people to like love each other instead of just like outright kill. Ooh, Might of the Necromancer. And the tank's design was a SX. Okay, I legitimately forgot that Blender's sense of direction is, like, very different from Godot's. Like, Godot does Z-axis on the bottom and Y-axis on the top. But, Blender does Y... It swaps the Y and Z things. Which is, like, weird as hell to me. Okay, so I need SX. I admit I'm making this very, like, low poly. In a way. And I think that's fine. SZ. The tank should look like kissing lips with tank tread at the bottom. So what I need to do, okay, edit mode. Okay, I think I need to look up a picture of a tank. Like, what the actual fuck? I need to... I just see, alright, I need to do some stuff to help regain focus on work, but it's been a nice stream. Best of luck with this new project. Tony Wojnar, thank you so much for being here. Have a great rest of your night, and hopefully I catch you in the next stream. Okay. Tank. Okay. Crap, what's the Blender command for loot cut? Control R. For the most part, the, I'm gonna say I think the tank cannon... Yeah, the tank cannon is gonna be a separate piece so that it rotates. Actually, wait, no. It's not gonna be that. The original game was, Like, I'm trying to think. The original game, the tank had the illusion of movement, but the body of the tank and the top of the tank moved along with each other. So I think I can leave that as it is. Okay, so if the last one was Wood Carved Partita from Castlevania Symphony of the Night, this one is Science Will Never Die from Devil May Cry 4. We need to grab these. There, realign it at the center. Okay. I think I may want to extrude this face out. Actually, I don't want to do that yet. So I need to model tank backside. Okay, so what I want to do is, excuse me, grab these four edges and push them in a little bit. Yeah. This is looking slightly more and more tankish. Okay, so now I want to extrude a face. .2533. I'm gonna do that for this one too. Yeah, close enough. Close enough. Oh, cool. Cold blues and flaming reds from Monster Hunter Rise. This plays in the volcano. what if... Yeah, there we go. Huh. You don't actually hear that sound in game. I'm pretty sure I just heard a didgeridoo in that song. Yeah. This is coming along. Looks good. Thanks, Essie Jolly. Well, looks good so far, let's be honest. Although... Like, the treads are definitely going to be the hardest part. I already know that. Ooh, this is Magnus Centipede? Yeah, Magnus Centipede from Mega Man X2. Make the wheels next? Oh no, I'm working on the tank's cannon. Actually, I should grab all three of these. There. Like this song, but I'm skipping it. Oh, this is Astalos' theme from Sunbreak. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, now what I want to do is extend this piece out. SY. I honestly don't think this needs to be accurate. It just needs to be tank-shaped. Hold on, I'm actually gonna bevel this. SY. I think what I need to do actually is add in another sphere. The top part needs to swivel. I said this earlier. The top part doesn't necessarily need to swivel because this is going to be like low poly, low effort. It's not going to be a twin stick shooter. It's just going to be like tank controls, but as like an actual tank. Whoopsie. Blender, add more object, add new objects. Shift A. Okay, I was doing Control A the whole time. So I need to add this. Yeah, that's what I want. This is... oh, daymare. I'm just gonna skip over this one. Okay, this will work. Okay, so Control R. Hold on. Blender, select, edge, loop. Perfect. Can merge these faces, right? That is not what I was trying to do. There. And then I just need to extrude this and make it round. Oh, whoops. One, two, three, four. There. Wait, better idea. Extrude that ever so slightly. And now we're going to extrude this again. Grab these edges. Not what I was trying to do. I think I want to grab vertexes now. There. There. It doesn't have to be perfectly cylindrical, it just has to look it. Face. Wait, it's like angled weird. Hey, it's Kimura's Song of Purification. Your favorite song? Ah, nice, Essie Jolly. I'm glad you could experience it during the stream. There. You know what? Maybe I really do need to just add a cylinder. Can I not go back any farther? Shit. That isn't what I was trying to do either. What's the command? Oh, bridge faces. Wait, no. No, it's not subdivide. Bridge edge loops? That's not it either. New face from edges. Perfect. I think I'm skipping this one. Easily, more than likely, one of the most annoying themes in Mega Man X6, Ground Scarevich's stage, but I actually kind of like it. Am I still in edit mode? There we go. So now what I need to do is add a new mesh, a cylinder. Keep getting this wrong. There we go. Let's see. God, I didn't even remember what song this was. Blue Destination from Trails of Cold Steel 2. God, I'm trying to... Blender 4.3.2 parent function. Much better. Holy shit. Ah, it finally worked. Okay, now in edit mode, I want to shape this out a bit. Actually, I think I can get her. I can do away with these faces. Dissolve edges. Oh yeah, that looks a lot better. And as soon as I say that, I see SC Jolly's comment much better. I 100% agree with you. I just need to push these inward a bit. Yeah. Actually, no, I can do this in object mode. Oh yeah, that works. Okay, I think I need in edit mode. There. Once again, I'd like to point out, I'm not going for accuracy. Yeah, good. Oh, whoops. Okay. Yeah. Back to object mode. I just want this selected. Oh, Temple of the Grand Tree from Crosscode. Nice. Oh, that's not at all what I was going for. That, however, is... Okay, Alt Z. I'm trying to select faces here. Thank you. Not what I had in mind. Blender, add hole to cylinder. That's literally how you do it, huh? Well, I'm sure that isn't going to cause any problems along the way. Yeah, that should be fine. Not what I'm going for. Not quite. Oh, perfect. That is exactly what I was going for. But now I'm realizing this part needs to be longer. There. There. Perfect. Now it looks like an artillery hole in a cannon. Ah, this is coming along nicely. Okay, save as love machine tank .blend. It's saving in my Dropbox, so I'm not losing anything. I would hate to have lost, like, all the progress I made. Perfect. It's not exactly done, though. I need to add the tank treads. SY. Not what I had in mind. Oh yeah, perfect. Skipping this one. Ooh, more huge. From Yakuza 3. SX. God, the shape of this is coming along so nicely, I swear. Oh wait, I need faces for this one. Oh yeah. Wait, no. I don't need to loop cut, I need to bevel. Or not, apparently. Sigma Stage 3 from Mega Man X1. Alright, nice. I'm moving on. Oh, wingdings. Alright. It's a low poly tank model, but it's coming along pretty nice. Okay. Tank, shreds, texture. Ooh, free? I'll take free. Looks great. Thanks, Essie Jolly. Although I think I need to smooth these out a bit. Maybe not. Though I think maybe I can start texturing this now. No, wait, I don't want to change this. I want to add a new one. I'm going to call this Tank Head. Give it shuriken for wheels? What? Oh, wait, I know what you're saying. The curved kind? Hang on, I need to... Tank... Cannon. Yeah. And then the tank body needs to be... tank body needs to be a much darker pink. Yeah, that looks pretty good. I feel the need to add tank lights. Does the tank shoot hearts? No, but it's going to shoot pink bullets that will explode into hearts through like particle effects. Oh yeah. Yeah. The tanks have eyes. I think if I extrude these faces... I forget what the name of this song is in English, but oh, I love it so much. trying to round them out, but I guess I don't really need to, do I? Well, like I said, it doesn't need to be exact. Oh. Oh, this is Repose from Nier. I love this song. Smooth edges in Blender. Oh yeah, that looks really good. Maybe I more specifically need to bevel edges here. Man, the poly count on these, like, quote-unquote treads is kind of insane. Man, what the actual shit have I created? Okay. There, I've grabbed everything I need. Well, I guess... I mean, fuck it. Does it even really matter how detailed the treads are? Like, you're only going to see the tank from this position. Like, the fact that the tank head is its own separate object in this entire model is helpful. That means if I wanted to try to work some voodoo and see if I wanted to try to work some voodoo and see if I could get it to move, if I were so inclined to make this a twin stick shooter, but like, shit, I don't know. Like, from that position, it looks really good. Thank you. Yeah, like, I'm not 100% certain that, like, going about it like a twin stick shooter is 100% necessary. And what I mean by that, if you're not familiar with the term, SE Jolly, I'm pretty sure you are definitely not, is, for example, if I would use something like WASD, the WAS and D keys, to move the character, to move the tank forward and backwards. W and S would move it forward and backwards, and then A and D would turn the body like this. So then I would have it like that, and then on the other end of the spectrum, like the twin stick shooter part, the mouse would move the tank head. And just like moving the mouse would rotate the tank head. Like, I have no idea if that's 100% necessary for this entire thing, but at the same time, like whatever, you know? I might make this a little lighter. Like, it's still pretty pink. I think what I may end up doing is texturing these faces. Blender, texture, individual faces. In edit mode, select the faces you want. Okay, so first of all, I need a new thing. So, tank headlights. Okay, now control U. Oh no, wait, just U. U unwrap. I don't think that's exactly what I need to do. Yeah, it just says UV unwrap faces. It doesn't go in the terms of like... Okay, I'm really curious. What's the AI overview going to tell me? Oh. Fuck, it was that simple? Oh, wait. God damn it. There. I need to check something here. I'm skipping this. Sure. Yeah, good. Okay, well... There's a part of me that feels like I may want to cel shade this a little bit more. SC Jolly, thank you so much for being here. Have a great rest of your night, and hopefully I catch you in the next stream. See you next time. Nah. Okay, see you tomorrow. All right, see you tomorrow, Issy Jolly. Thanks again. Yeah, okay, I think this is exactly where I want it to be. I think I may want to add more details to this, but probably a little later. So this is actually going to be where I cut the stream for the night, because I just realized it is 11 o'clock. I have a couple things to do, but this is a good stream. I was able to finish the tutorials for 3D in Godot, and I was able to quote unquote start a new project, but the beginning of that involved making a tank, which, like, yeah, it works. I can't explain how it works, but it works. So with all that being said, that's going to be the end of the stream, everybody. Thank you all so much for tuning in. If you liked what you saw, please consider liking, commenting, subscribing, and ringing the bell to get notified every time I upload and go live. Thank you for tuning into my other videos and my shorts. That really means a lot to me. God, what song is this? Is this from Doom? I was totally right. It's Mastermind. Fuck yeah. Okay. So, tomorrow I'm going to do my damnedest to stream the Monster Hunter Wilds beta again. And the thing that I recognize is I've been running the benchmark tool on and off in order to try to get it to work. And holy mother of God, I am just going to have to deal with it looking like complete ass, because the problem isn't necessarily my graphics card. I've got a NVIDIA GeForce GTX 1660 Super, but the problem lies with my CPU, which is an incredibly outdated Intel i5 core processor. So I'll attempt to like do this tomorrow, but it's going to like burn like 100% of my CPU just to be able to play this game. So oh man, I'm not looking forward to it, but I'm still looking forward to playing it. So I'll see what happens. Either way, like, you guys have been a very fun audience. Thanks again for engaging with me and chatting with me as I did all this. This is a lot of fun. You guys have been a fun audience. So once again, this has been Pause and Effect on Air. I've been your host, CJ, and I will see you next time, or I will see you tomorrow. Have a great rest of your night.